Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's Tuesday and it's currently 3:10 p.m. Nag-start ako ng vlog ng late. Actually, dapat mag-start ako ng morning pero medyo maaga kami umalis ni Mami para pumunta sa Manila. So, ngayon na lang ako nag-start. So, kanina umaga, umalis kami sa bahay ng mga 5. Tapos, she got here at around mga 8:30. And then, pumunta kami sa appointment ng mom ko. After that, nag-grocery kami. And then, after grocery, nag-nap ako kasi nakakaantok. Antok na ako ulit. Masyado maaga. And then, after my nap, nag-run ako ng 5K. And then, I had lunch. My mom made spaghetti. Ngayon, pupunta ako sa mall. Kasi papathread ako ng kilay ko kasi mukha na akong monkey. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang magayos and this is the fit. And now, alis na kami. Kasi samahan ako ni Mami. Ninibago pa din ako sa length ng buhok ko. It's shorter than how it was before, pero okay lang. Hello everybody! Daming energy! Hi everybody! Good morning! Ang pangat naman. The light is eating me. Ayan. Good morning! Today is Thursday and it's 10:34 a.m. Medyo maaga kami nagising ni Mami kanina, mga 7. Pero umalis na siya. She went home ahead. Umuwi na siya. Sinundo siya ng kapatid ko. Today I have a shoot at Poly East, so that's what's gonna happen. But before that, I got my first and last coffee of the month. For this month, nag-Harlan and Holden ako na salted sea salt latte na oat milk. If you guys know me, I used to drink coffee every day, but now I'm limiting myself to one a month. One coffee a month. Okay naman. Nung una, medyo mahirap siya. Like, from going one coffee or like 2 coffees a day to literally wala. Mahirap. Pero, pag nasanay ka na, parang you're not gonna crave it. Though pag nakakaamoy ako ng kape, kasi dito kung saan kami nakatira, may coffee factory. So, naaamoy mo yung roast ng coffee. Tapos parang, alam mo yun, just coffee so addicting. Nung Tuesday, I had to shoot for Able Asia. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog, pero nag-vlog naman ako ng mga before everything happened. Medyo naligaw pa ako kung saan yun. So, madami pa kami nilakad ni Mami. But I was so thankful that my mom was there with me. Sobra akong kinabahan, guys. Parang, this has been the first interview I've had since I released my EP last year. So, medyo rusty ako. Sobrang kabado talaga ako na I had to take number 2. I was so kabado. But, I think it turned out well. Siguro I just want to share na parang starting parang end of last year, I was really at a dark place na, I don't know, parang bigla na lang akong nalungkot, bigla akong nawala, bigla akong na-lost. And I really struggled, as in, parang sobra akong hirap na hirap. And up to today, nahihirapan pa din ako. But I would have to say that I am better. And I feel better than how I was the past months. And I'm grateful for that. And I'm also grateful for my friends and my family, especially my mom and my sister. And my best friends, Asha, Macy, and Eunice, who stayed by my side kahit paulit-ulit na lang yung concerns ko about my struggles. And to those people, siguro what I wanted to say is, to those who feel like yung parang nawawala kayo, or like hindi nyo alam kung ano yung gagawin nyo, don't feel alone. Kasi ako, I felt alone. Despite na meron ako naman support system. Pero alam mo yun, parang at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yan eh. Ikaw yung aayos yan. It's up to you on how you would rebuild yourself, on how would you compose yourself. Especially ako na I'm performing na ngayon. Nag-release ako ng kanta and I have to go out and meet people. You're not alone. And it's okay. Though kahit it feels like it's not okay, but it's okay. And stay hopeful and appreciate the things na nasa harapan mo than worry about things na wala pa sa'yo. That's what I constantly try to remind myself. But yeah, you're gonna be okay. And my message to me, Glorian, from last few months of 2024, you're going to be okay. You're gonna be okay. Okay, enough of the drama. I'm so happy. Let's say things that we're grateful for. I'm grateful for my mom. I'm grateful for my sister, my friends, my relatives, my cousins, my titos, my titas, my lola. I'm grateful for my dog. I'm grateful for this coffee that I have right now. I'm grateful for the sun outside despite it being super duper hot. I'm thankful for all those people who supporting me in my journey. Siguro kaya ganito kasi I've always been the type na gusto ko lagi sigurado. I don't always jump into decisions. I'm very indecisive. But now, na chinus ko to, parang nandun ako sa river of uncertainty. And I'm scared. And it's okay to be scared. Do it even when you're scared. Do it even when you're unmotivated. You got this. Glorian, ano ka ba? You've been through a lot of things more complicated than this. And to those who's watching, you're gonna be okay. Okay, so what am I gonna look forward to? Yeah, ayun, gusto ko na ulit mag-vlog. My doctor said na parang it would help me if I vlog then. So this is kind of like a therapy for me. Parang talk to myself out loud. Pero I'm just talking to you guys. Yeah, so if you wanna be part of my journey here sa aking music, sa aking career, it still feels so weird saying that. Parang, sino ba? But yeah, subscribe kayo to my channel and let's do this. Let's do this thing. Just trying to rest right now, pero parang gusto kong tumakbo. I wanna run. And after I run, I will take a bath and get ready and go to Poly East. Hey guys, I'm about to get ready. Ang plan ko for today's look is straight lang na baba. Kasi parang hindi ko na feel yung kulot. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But this is the outfit. I got the black tube. Tapos, my big pants. Let me show you. Sorry guys, medyo madumi pa yung condo kasi yung mga nagayos. Mayan na lang pag-uwi ko. Kanina, I spoke to two of my best friends. Chika-chika lang kami. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, guys, hindi ko na kayo nararamdaman. Kaibigan ko pa ba kayo? But that's just me being dramatic. Pero now, I'm gonna get ready. Like, super fast lang. And siguro light makeup lang. Ayoko naman parang super pakak. Parang ngayon na lang ulit ako magta-try mag-straight hair. And I don't know how I should feel about it. But, yeah, let's try this for a change. Mag-heat protectant muna tayo kasi we don't want our hair to be super damaged. Kahit sobrang damaged na niya, guys. My hair is so damaged. I used to have healthy black hair. Tapos, tawag ko ba dun? Ko siya. Balayage. Pinabalayage ko siya. Tapos, after balayage, bigla ko na siyang tinone down. And then, binabalayage ko ulit. So, pagod na siya. Tapos ngayon, pinatone down ko siya. Pero naglalighten na nga ulit eh. But if you would see my hair before this, it needed help. So, parang gusto ko i-part yung hair ko to hindi na gitna, parang this side, ganyan. Para iba naman yung look. Diba? So, mukha akong hubad. Pero guys, nakatube ako. Okay? Mukha akong hubad. Hindi ko pa sure kung ito yung susuot ko, but for now, ito siya. Mukha akong mukha akong high school. Yung high school glory yan. Ganito yung hairstyle ko nun. And then for my face, konti lang. Watch me cram. Can you water? May nakita sa isang babae. Guys, we are almost there. I'm vlogging sa cellphone ko kasi wala akong panlagay sa camera dito sa kotse. Tapos bigla siyang so, we're almost there. Yeah. Dito na po tayo sa studio. And ito po ang ating, anong tawag dito? Acting backdrop. Hi! Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, Glorian's vlog.
Hey! Wow. Sino to? Sino siya? Wow! Say hi! Oy! Shit! Oh my God. Yes! Work it, girl. Work it. Work. Hi, Glorian. How are you? Hello! Kakatapos lang namin magawa ng content. Thank you nga pala kay Arkin, kay Brain, and all the people from Poly East Records and Filtered Music. Thanks so much, guys! Thank you. I appreciate it. Kamusta naman ang isang Glorian? And guys, wasted! Ay! Direct! Pero ano to? Ito ba yung Canon G7X? Hindi. M100 yan. Parang ganda rin niya pang video. Nice din to sa photo. Okay naman din. Pero parang sira na nga siya. Oh, maganda yung model. Pwede nakatayo naman.
Sige.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi guys, I just got back from the shoot. It was a successful one naman. And I'm really grateful for the team for helping me out and for really planning great ideas for us to shoot content with, to promote Wasted. So thank you kila Arkin, kila Rain. Thank you so much kila Alex, kila James. Thank you guys. And yeah, so I'm just resting now. Tapos plano kong mag-run. I might run sa treadmill. I was supposed to run with my friend, pero nag-rain check siya. So, it's just gonna be me. I wanna run outside, pero medyo natakot ako kasi may parang hold-upan yata dito sa Ayala Triangle recently. So, parang medyo na-scared ako tumakbo sa labas. So, I'll just run sa treadmill. And then, tonight, manunood ako ng gig sa Apotheca. So if you're there, maybe I'll see you. Maybe I won't see you. But yeah, that is it so far for today. I'll continue the vlog tomorrow as uuwi ako. Uwi akong Quezon, and yeah, we're gonna stay there for a while. Hello, what's up, people of YouTube? Lauren here from the future. I wasn't able to end that vlog, so this is me ending it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stream my newest single, Wasted. It is available on all music digital streaming platforms. I'll also put a link in the description para mas madali sa inyo man-navigate kung saan nyo siya pwede patugtugin. And I hope you like this vlog. If you did, also subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media accounts. Thank you so much. See you real soon. Bye-bye.